Gemini is our largest and most capable model. It means that Gemini can understand the world around us in the way that we do and absorb any type of input and output. So not just text like most models, but also code, audio, image, and video.
Google is in trouble. They are losing the AI war to OpenAI, arguably the most powerful AI company in the world. While OpenAI has been creating AI models that can do almost anything, from writing essays and code to creating art and music with their GPT-4 model, Google, however, has been stuck with their outdated AI model which can barely handle simple tasks like editing documents and chatting with users. But Google is not ready to admit defeat. They have been working on a new AI technology that they claim can outperform OpenAI's GPT-4 in every way. But is this really the breakthrough that Google needs, or is it just a desperate attempt to catch up with OpenAI? Join me in this video as we delve deep into Google's new AI model, its potential, and its impact on the future of AI. In December 2023, Google, along with DeepMind, announced a new AI architecture called Gemini. It is the successor of PaLM 2, the current AI model behind many of Google's products and services, such as the Bard chatbot and Duet AI and workspace apps like Google Docs. Gemini is designed to be more capable, general, and multimodal than any previous AI model. Multimodality is important because it reflects how humans communicate and learn. We use different modes of expression to convey our thoughts and feelings, and we use different sources of information to acquire knowledge and skills. By being multimodal, Gemini can better understand and interact with humans and also learn from a richer and more diverse set of data. One of the most impressive achievements of Gemini that Google claims is that it outperforms human experts on massive multitask language understanding, MMLU. MMLU is a benchmark that tests the knowledge and problem-solving abilities of AI models on 57 subjects across STEM, humanities, social sciences, and more. Gemini successfully scored 90% on MMLU, while its competitor, OpenAI's GPT-4, scored only 86.4%. Human experts, on average, scored 86.4% as well. This means that Gemini is the first AI model to surpass humans on this challenging and comprehensive test. Gemini is not only good at language understanding, but also at other tasks, such as math, code, and image processing. It also surpasses state-of-the-art performance on a range of benchmarks. Okay, but what do all of these mean in practice? Hold on. Before I continue, I want to remind you to please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you are enjoying it so far. It really helps me out and motivates me to make more videos like this. Now, Google Gemini is not a product by itself, but a platform that can power many existing and future applications. Google has announced that it will integrate Gemini into its products and services, such as Search, Assistant, YouTube, Photos, Maps, and more. It will enable new possibilities and experiences for users, such as more natural and engaging conversations, more creative and personalized content, more accurate and relevant information, and more fun and immersive games. But how will Gemini do that? Well, Gemini has a family of models that are optimized for different sizes and purposes. The first version of Gemini, Gemini 1.0, consists of 3 models: Gemini Ultra, Gemini Pro, and Gemini Nano. Gemini Ultra is the flagship model that will be used for the most demanding and complex tasks, such as research, innovation, and discovery. It will be accessible through Google Cloud and DeepMind platforms and will allow developers and researchers to tap into the full potential of Gemini. Gemini Pro, on the other hand, is the mainstream model that will be used for the most common and popular tasks, such as productivity, entertainment, and education. Gemini Pro will be integrated into Google's products and services, such as Workspace, Photos, and more, and will provide users with more features and functionalities. The Pro version will also be available through Google Cloud and AI platform and will allow developers and researchers to create and deploy their own applications and models based on Gemini. And lastly, Gemini Nano. It is the lightweight model that will be used for the most simple and basic tasks, such as communication, navigation, and personalization. This lightweight version will be embedded into Google's devices and hardware, such as Pixel phones, Nest speakers, and Wear OS watches, and will provide users with more convenience and accessibility. It will also be compatible with TensorFlow Lite and Coral and will allow developers and researchers to run Gemini on edge devices and low-power environments. To give you some practical examples of what Gemini can do, let me show you some of the demos that Google and DeepMind have released.
What's the first step to make a veggie omelet with these ingredients?
Crack the eggs into a bowl and whisk them.
Thank you for the instructions. I've started making my omelet. Does it look ready now?
It looks like it's almost ready. You can flip it over to cook the other side.
Why is it not ready?
It's not ready because the eggs are still runny.
What about now?
It looks ready now. You can take it off the heat and serve it.
As we saw, Gemini is able to simultaneously process information from three modalities: audio, vision, and text.
Here is another example. Look impressive, right? Well, not so fast. This Gemini demo video also shows the impressive capability of Gemini. It shows a person interacting with Gemini through voice and gestures, and Gemini responding with voice and images. The video also shows Gemini recognizing and describing various objects, such as a duck, a rubber duck, a banana, and a guitar. However, it turns out that the video was fabricated. Google admitted that the video was not a live demonstration, but an edited montage of successful responses from Gemini. They said that it created the video by capturing footage in order to test Gemini's capabilities on a wide range of challenges. Then it prompted Gemini using still image frames from the footage and prompting via text. The user's voiceover is all real excerpts from the actual prompts used to produce the Gemini output that follows. Google also said that it reduced the latency and shortened the outputs for brevity. However, this explanation did not satisfy many AI experts and the public, who felt that Google was misleading and dishonest. They accused Google of overhyping and overselling Gemini's capabilities and creating false expectations and impressions. As of now, Google has not announced a specific launch date for Gemini, but it is expected to be sometime in 2024. It is not clear how strong Gemini is, as they are not officially launched and tested by the public. But Gemini will be a game changer for the field of AI and will pose a challenge to OpenAI's dominance. So, what do you think about Google Gemini? Do you think it is a breakthrough or just a hype? Let me know in the comments below. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.